They told her she was too quiet, that she wouldn't make it. Not smart enough, not bold enough, not enough. She listened, silently. She smiled, painfully. But inside she was building something. Something they wouldn't see until it was too late. She cried, not in public, but in private. She worked late nights. She studied when others slept. She practiced, failed, tried again. No one clapped for her. No one even noticed. But she kept going, because she wasn't chasing applause. She was chasing freedom. The hardest part was not proving others wrong. It was fighting the voice in her own head. The voice that said, "You're wasting time. You're too tired. You should just quit." But she didn't quit. She paused, cried, screamed into her pillow, then she got up. Again. She didn't go viral. She didn't get famous. She just kept improving. One skill, one habit, one mindset shift at a time. While the world posted fake lives on social media, she was building a real one in silence. One day, she walked into the room, and they didn't recognize her. Same face, different fire. She no longer needed validation. Her work spoke louder than their doubts. And when opportunity knocked, she opened the door, prepared, powerful, peaceful. They noticed, the ones who doubted, the ones who mocked. They whispered, "Is that really her?" Yes, it was her, but not the version they dismissed. She didn't return to prove them wrong. She moved forward to prove herself right. She no longer needs attention. She doesn't chase love, fame, or likes. She is her own home now, her own cheerleader, her own safe place. And if someone asks her, "How did you do it?" she'll simply smile and say, "I stopped telling people my dreams. I started showing them instead."